Oh, hi everybody! This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. I'm here with my Hoover convertible high performance upright vacuum tonight. And also, I think this vacuum was made in the late 80s, or it could be the early 90s. Guys, let me know. This machine finally came out in 1990. Or it could be 1987 or 1989 when this machine came out. Guys, let me know in the comments about this vacuum, okay? Well, everybody. Also, instead of me talking, I'm just gonna run my vacuum cleaner in the video and see. In 3, 2, 1, action! Wow. This vacuum cleaner was powerful, and also it's been grooming the carpets fantastically, and I really love using this one as well. I love using all of my old Hoovers in my collection, what I have. But anyway, everybody, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. Me and Lucy Toe rescheduled our days to get together to go do something. Was really, really amazed. I got events to go do with my friend Lucy Toe this weekend. Also, I'll still be filming every day. It's part of my job, and I film every day because it's part of my life deal. First of all, for the record, this vacuum cleaner works fantastically. I love using this old one. I really do. Because they're powerful. See you in the next video. Bye.